I've always been very passionate for motorsports. Fortunately, it makes my life much better because when I sit in my race car and I do something and I get the job done properly, I feel much more alive. It was important for me to try to compete again in sports because in spite of what happened, I still believed and I never doubt that I was the same driver as before. When I sat in the car and I started the engine, it was magical. I mean, to see the curves going next to me and to drive, to see my hands on the steering wheel, it was so much fun that here I am, I'm still addicted to it. It takes courage as well from a company as big as BMW to partner a guy with no leg into such an adventure. But technically they believed it was possible, and due to their technology and related to my curiosity as a human being, we've been able to put together something which has nothing magical in it, but seemed to be quite magical for most. The difference between testing and driving a race, of course, is the sensation that you cannot fail. So for me, of course, winning, it's important, but driving is more important. It's because I really feel the pleasure of driving, which definitely fills my life and makes me feel alive. So, it's the first. The last one still has to come.